So it has to do this.
Mm-hmm. It's making a video out of it. I have it at 3 seconds. Does that look long enough? Because it's going to keep going.
Yeah.
Okay? Who's going to guard the animal blitz? That corners or goal line blitz?
I'm hoping I don't have to do it this way. But if I do, at least I haven't. Do you know what I mean?
Mm. The picture of him in the crib, that one picture of him in the crib looks like Logan. Logan's picture.
There 2 minutes.
See what happens when I get something ready?
That pretty little girl.
Because I don't know why that thing's up on the top. Gotta get rid of it. Now it's on it. I'm hoping, I have my thing, so I'm hoping I'm just going to be able to put it right up to it. Now it's not even moving.
And that's what he's doing. He's driving cars out in the yard. He's an odd guy.
Bro, why are you on one side? No! That's so close! Why y'all listen, bro?
They're having a blast.
I love it that they're having fun together. Oh, it was like, who's there?
Look at that. He's sorry. You're not very sorry. I'll play ground.
Oh. Yeah.
Yes. 75.